waste disposal. As a clean school provides a healthy and suitable place for learning. However, we sometimes notice plastic bottles for wrappers and other garbage left in classrooms, halfways, and around the campus. This problem keeps our school untidy and can attract insects, create unpleasant odors, and affect everyone's health. After observing the situation, we found several root causes. First, some students do not always throw their trash into the proper bins. Second, some areas may not have enough labeled trash bins, making proper waste disposal less convenient. Third, some students are still not fully aware of the importance of keeping the school clean and properly segregated waste. Now, my partner will present our proposed solutions.
We propose practical and realistic solution that can be done within the school source and available sources. First, the school can place more labeled trash bins in areas where many students gather serve as the content and hallways. Second, pictures and student leaders can conduct short awareness campaigns to remind everyone about proper waste disposal and waste segregation. Third, the school can organize regular cleanup activities to encourage teamwork and responsibility among students. Lastly, classes that consistently their classrooms and surroundings can be recognized or rewarded. This can motivate students to develop good habits. In conclusion, keeping our school clean is not only the responsibility of the maintenance staff but of every student, teacher, and member of the school community.